Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Python 3, 8+ and installing Drain so you can experiment immediately. Once done, create a minimal config, set log path, tokenizer, and similarity threshold. You then run the provided example script or invoke the Drain library in a short Python file to parse a small log sample. This first run builds the initial parse tree. Make sure to use representative logs so patterns emerge and you avoid a skewed model. Next, you refine parameters to capture real patterns. Change tree depth, merge threshold, and max children to balance specificity and generality. As you feed larger batches of logs, monitor event template counts and false splits. Once a promising configuration appears, persist the model state so you can resume or serve it. You should also add preprocessing rules, like timestamp and ID removal, because cleaner input yields more stable templates and reduces noise during matching. Finally, deploy the parser inside your pipeline. Call the saved model on new logs and emit templates and parameters. Once running, monitor template drift, growth rate, and false positives so you can decide when to retrain or merge templates. If things go wrong, like excessive splits, snapshot the current model, adjust thresholds, then retrain with a representative dataset. This roll backend tune approach recovers stability quickly and preserves operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.